You know what? I wasn't even recording, folks, but here we go. This is a Boeing 787. Never thought I'd be able to see one in person, let alone being able to walk underneath one. But we're at the Tucson Air and Space Museum, and first time here. There's my daughter. Huge intake.
Dragonfly!
And she's worried about dragonflies. Here we go, underneath a Boeing 787. This is fantastic. We're gonna go look underneath here. Can you imagine being Superman and flying underneath like this at 37,000 feet? Unbelievable. Woo! This bad boy is big. This is a wide body. I wish we can go inside, but that's all right. Okay, now I'm back in front of the plane, and man, she is a beauty. Even got an old Air Force One over here. It's an old bomber over there. Fighter jets. That's my son Mark. And whoo! This is one of my favorite planes. I don't know, I've heard that they've had some issues with them, but never got to fly on a 787 before. But this is a Japanese ANA plane, Japanese airliner, sitting here in Tucson. To me, these are fairly new planes, but they got one here, sitting at a museum. All right. Heading towards the old Air Force One President's plane. It's basically an old Boeing 707. One more look at the Boeing 787. Man, can you imagine owning a property this big where you can just sit all your planes on? That's what it looks like to me. All right. One quick another look of the Air Force One.
You were walking too fast.
Well, folks, I'm gonna do my sign off here. Wife said it's getting hot. The only shade that we have is if we're standing underneath one of these big planes. But anyway, had some this fast food restaurant called EG's had some of their food was pretty good. Had the ranch chicken sub, but and I had one of the EG drinks. There's the cold slushy drinks. But we're on our way back, and I guess we'll be heading home here soon.
Butterfly!
My daughter is screaming butterfly. We came here to see planes, not butterflies. There we go.
What? I want butterflies.
A 737, Boeing 737-300, China Southern. Sitting here on this last days. Okay. Well, we're sending off. Talk to you later. See you later. Bye.